Morning is July 17th, and it's time for the bond breakdown. So let's look at what we have today. Pull up a quick chart. Come on, chart. I'm supposed to pull up. Okay, cool. Today is July 17th. It's Wednesday. Let's try and look through some announcements as well. Pull those up. So Econo Day has a light Wednesday. We have NBA mortgage applications at 7 a.m. That's passed already. Then we have housing starts at 8:30. We have petroleum at 10:30, and the beige book at 2 p.m. We hopefully are way out of the market by that time. So those are our three activities on Econo Day. Let's look for red folders on Forex Factory. Pull up the 17th here. Okay, cool. No USA and red folders, but we do have some announcements: building permits, housing starts, and crude oil inventories. So 8:30 should be a blast, and 10:30 should be a blast. The G7 meetings are all day today, so that matters. You might see some sitting still in the market there. So all in all, a calm day, nothing really explosive. Canada has CPI at 8:30, so maybe we'll get some fireworks around that time. Let's look at the charts. As you can see, I do what I always do. This is a 60-minute chart. Check it out there. That's my bonds, my 60-minute chart. This 60-minute chart is usually my first look of the day, and I have my session lines here. I don't know if you all can see kind of like that fainted gray line, but that's my session start line. Lows got put in this morning around 5 a.m. Low of the day is 153.25, and highs got put in just a moment ago at 154.06. So we have what is that? 25 to 06 is a 13 tick range, which makes this a probable trend day. Yesterday we were in the same range for the open. If you guys notice, yesterday back here, we were in the same range, and then the market fell on us. I think yesterday I thought that it was going to go up. It was kind of going to get together and keep going up and grab these gaps that I marked out here. Gaps above at 154.16, another gap starting at 154.22. So there's activity and business up there that needs to be done. However, the market didn't see fit to do it yesterday, I guess. All the gaps from yesterday's rally above 153.24 made a big difference. I think what's cool to look at today is the fact that this 153.24 level of support is holding. I'll be eager to see if it can continue to hold, or if we might get any pressure, anything to close below there. That was a big level for us to break through a couple days ago, and we got above it. And then, you know, the seller sold us right back down under it. And today, in order to get through it, right before session, there was a gap up in order to break through that level again. So whatever has happened between the buyers and sellers between this range of 153.24 to 153.28, that's it's some business going on there. Of course, they dipped back into it overnight, so maybe we won't get a chance to go back and cover the full gap. Today's look up, I mean, I'm always looking up, so I think a look to the upside would be good. I think that we let off some steam from yesterday. I use a RSI. I'm not sure if you guys know about that, but I use a RSI. And yesterday we were at this price, and the RSI was right at 69 or 70, if you can notice there. And today we're back in the same price range, the 05, 06s, and the RSI is at 59. So maybe we can get a break to the upside here today. Anything above 08, and we should be good money. I'm looking up to take out targets first at 154.15, and then, you know, if there are any runners that can run, of course I'll be looking above to 24s, 25s. I really don't like trying to take more than a full point off the market on a daily basis, just because the market really, it's rare that you'll get more than a point off the market. Not a tick, but a point. So So that's the market breakdown. That's the bond breakdown for the day. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Well, let's look at the daily charts too. See where we are in the dailies. In the dailies, market comes up and catches a hit at 155, double lows and gets knocked down. Breaks through those 155s, catches 156.24s, and then begins its descent all the way to 153.01s. This bar, what day is this from? What is this? The 11th. The 11th. Yeah, data box says it's the 11th. Yeah, I've been watching that bar. To me, it's not a true mother bar, but it's kind of behaving as one. It's a lot of business inside of this range that wasn't taken care of. So I've been watching it, watching what's going on inside of that range and seeing if bars are kind of paying the right sort of attention. So we'll see what happens. We have a green bar for today, so that means I am looking up. I am looking to buy. The market opened today at 153.30. So we'll see what can happen, but I am looking up. Maybe we get a good bounce off the open and I can get out of the day quickly. I have some other stuff I need to do today. Try and make it a quick trading day. Definitely trade safe, guys. Keep those stops nice and tight. Don't be tempted to move them. No matter what happens, don't be tempted to move them. Make good decisions, like trade against, I call it trading against the wall. But, if you could sell at the top, that's good. If you could sell really, really close to the top, that's great. If you can buy really close to the bottom, that's great because you'll it's less stress in your trading. I like to say that you don't make money when you exit a trade. You make the money when you enter a trade, because where you enter means way more than when you get out, in my opinion. So we're looking for some upside action. We'll see. The high's getting flirted with right now and the market's about to open. So let's get to it.